How to add or change Face ID in iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, scroll down and navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. After you type in that, you'll be directed to this page. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option Add Face ID or Reset Face ID. Now to add or reset Face ID, you'll need to click on that option. As I have enabled stolen device protection, I'm not able to use this feature. So what you have to do is, firstly, you'll need to disable for the option stolen device protection. It's gonna take 1 hour time. After this feature has been disabled, you can easily add or reset your Face ID. All you have to do is click on the option, then complete the Face ID verification process. You are able to add up to 2 Face IDs, and with that, you'll be good to go. Once you set up the Face ID, you can customize these options. Face ID with a mask, likewise require attention for Face ID. You can enable for these options or disable it. Likewise, scrolling up, you can easily customize these options. Use Face ID for iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, contactless and payments, and password autofill. So this is how you can easily add or change Face ID in iPhone iOS 18. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.